Okay, good morning everyone. How's your day? You fine? Okay, I'm your teacher, Eden, your class advisor in grade 2. So, there are so many rules and regulations in our school, in our e-class online. Okay. Number 1 is here, find a comfortable and quiet place to study. Classroom environment is one of the most important factors affecting student learning. A positive environment is one in which students feel a sense of belonging, trust others, and feel encouraged to tackle challenges, take risks, and ask questions. That is how you must have remind yourself to have a number 1, conducive place to study. Number 2, make yourself comfortable. Number 3, avoid noisy places that can distract you. And number 4, keep it positive. Okay? Be prepared and on time on your scheduled online class. Be ready for 15 minutes before the time the teacher will give a prompt message. Buksan ang inyong mga online account at Messenger. The teacher will wait until 15 minutes for your attendance. Failure to get online within 10 minutes are considered absent. Dumalo sa klase ng handa at nakasuot ng angkop na pananamit, siguraduhin ninyo na malapit sa inyo ang kinakailangang gamit. Okay? Respect your teachers and classmates. Don't say hurtful for disrespectful words to someone. Remember that your classmates and teachers are real people who are affected by offensive words you say. Alright? Set respectful tone and always use the magic words po, opo, thank you, you're welcome, and please. Okay? Please be aware of a strong language or caps and exclamation points. Avoid all capital statement that unless your announcement 10 texts are prone to misword and misunderstanding. Okay? Stay focused and disciplined. Okay, sa pamanonood ng pre-recorded videos, kailangang nakaka-focus at kung maaari isulat ang mahalagang impormasyon, maaaring wag munang gumamit ng iba pang social media accounts at iba pang digital at gaming platforms that can distract you. Post or message only relevant message and comments. Okay? Respect the main purpose of a group chat. Our group chats are intended for updates only, especially for subject teachers. Considering this following. Number 1, avoid giving comments and separate emoji reaction from the teacher updates. You may ask if it all academic related concerns. Be patient until the end of the day before you get an answer. Relevant topics are not allowed no matter strongly you may feel about the current or other topics you are interested about. Be sensitive and respectful of one's personal time. Do not disturb anyone or sleep unless. Be sure to read all your previous messages to avoid repeating someone else's questions or message. Do not post or share, even privately, inappropriate materials. You will be given 2 warnings by the class advisors if you are not observing the rules of online learning. You will be temporarily removed from GC You will only be added with the class advisor upon compliance of the sanction imposed to you by the class advisor. Maybe this year be wonderful school of year for all of us despite of these circumstances. Stay safe and take care. Tanawa daw siya.